This year's season looks a little different than previous years. To reduce the risk of transmitting COVID-19 and other communicable illnesses, CMH's health and safety protocols have been developed following current guidelines from BC's Ministry of Health. As part of the health and hygiene commitment that all guests and staff agree to prior to coming to CMH, we ask that you follow 4 fundamental principles while staying with us. These include mandatory mask-on zones, physical distancing, increased personal hygiene, and a daily health check. Mandatory mask-on zones are those places where it is not possible to physically distance from those not in your travel cohort. These include onboard CMH coaches to and from the lodge, in the helicopter and heli huddle using the heli mask provided to you by CMH, and when moving through lodge common areas and dining facilities. But masks are not required while seated in dining rooms and lounges, actively eating and drinking, or while out in the field skiing. Physical distancing from people not within your travel cohort helps reduce the spread of COVID-19. Stay 2 meters away from each other when in the field. Please physically distance while in lodge common spaces. You do not need to wear a mask while skiing, or while actively dining and drinking with your travel cohort, or while working out in the gym, as long as a physical distance of 2 meters is maintained with other guests and staff. Please stay especially vigilant when alcohol is present. Increased personal hygiene is expected. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water and avoid touching your face to help reduce the risk of transmission. When hand washing is not possible, please use hand sanitizer. Look out for stations marked with this symbol across the lodge and other areas, and make sure to wash your hands before eating and before entering public spaces like the gym, spa, and common areas. We cannot eliminate the risk of virus transmission entirely. Therefore, it is important that before leaving your room each morning, we ask all guests and staff to do a health check to ensure you're feeling healthy and not displaying any symptoms of illness. The complete health check list will be displayed in your room and will include questions such as, do I have a fever or cough? Have I lost my sense of smell or taste? Do I feel unwell or fatigued? Is my stomach upset? If you have symptoms, please stay in your room. Message someone in your group or leave a note outside your door. We will connect with you on next steps shortly. The health and safety of our guests and staff has always been our #1 priority. While we recognize that there are always going to be risks in the places we operate and the activities we do, our goal is for everyone joining us at CMH to return home healthy and safe. We sincerely thank you for helping us uphold these standards.